All right, let's take a closer look at RRASE College of Engineering, located in Padabhai. Now, for all you students getting ready for TNEA counseling, the code you'll want to remember is 1437.
So, what's the first thing you really need to know about this college? Well, two things stand out immediately. One, it's affiliated with Anna University, which is a huge plus for academic standards. And two, its location. It's right in the middle of the Oragadam industrial belt. Think about that for a second. That means industry connections and internship opportunities could be right around the corner.
Okay, let's get into the college identity, the key facts you'll need for admission.
All right, here are the core details. The TNEA Code, once again, is 1437. The college was established back in 2008. It's a self-financing private college, so it's non-autonomous, and it's affiliated with Anna University, Chennai. Location-wise, you're looking at Padappai in Kancheepuram district, and yes, it's a co-ed campus.
So how do you get in? It's pretty straightforward. Admission is all through TNEA counseling, and you've got the standard split. 65% of the seats are for the government quota, and the remaining 35% are for the management quota.
Now let's talk about the founding vision. What's the mission behind the leadership?
Here's the mission right from the founders: to provide quality technical education at an affordable cost, with a focus on innovation and wider access for first-generation learners. So right from the start, the focus was on making good quality engineering education affordable and accessible, especially for students who might be the first in their family to go to college.
And who's behind this vision? The college was started by the RRASE Health and Educational Trust. Now, this is interesting. It's led by Dr. S. Ranganathan. And that background is significant because he was the former director of research at Anna University. That's a pretty serious academic experience leading the institution.
All right, let's move on to the engineering programs. What are your BE and BTech options here?
In total, there are 360 undergraduate engineering seats available.
So those 360 seats are spread across 8 different branches. You've got your core engineering disciplines like civil, mechanical, and ECE, but you can also see a real focus on tech here with computer science and IT. And what's really current are the 2 newer specializations, artificial intelligence and data science, and computer science with a focus on cybersecurity. Definitely something to look at.
Okay, let's talk about the day-to-day stuff. Campus facilities, hostel, and transport.
Good news for students planning to stay on campus. Hostels are available for both boys and girls. And a question we often get is about the food. Well, the mess provides both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options in both hostels.
And what if you're a day scholar? The college runs its own buses. They connect the campus to places all across Chennai, Kancheepuram, and Chengalpattu districts, which should make the daily commute a whole lot easier.
Just a quick tip for those of you who might use the train, the closest railway station is Vandalur. It's about 9 kilometers away from the campus.
And now, for what's probably the most important section for many of you, the placement snapshot. Let's take a look at the outcomes.
So the big question is, what are the placement outcomes like?
The college reports an 82% overall placement rate. Now, this number comes directly from the data they submitted for the TNEA 2025 process. It's the big picture number that represents their overall placement success.
Just so you know, all the information we've shared today is based on what's available from the college's official website and government portals as of March 2026. Things can change, so it's always a good idea to double-check the latest details yourself.
To continue your research, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.